Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan strongly criticized the US and British airstrikes on Houthi targets in Yemen, characterizing them as a disproportionate use of force. Erdogan accused both countries of attempting to transform the Red Sea into a sea of blood. While Turkey, a NATO member, has consistently condemned Israel's actions in Gaza, Erdogan argued that the recent strikes in Yemen were not proportionate. Addressing reports after Friday prayers in Istanbul, Erdogan stated, "All that has been done is a disproportionate use of force," expressing concern about the Red Sea being turned into a battleground. He asserted that Yemen, with Houthi forces, would provide the necessary response to the United States and Britain. Turkey generally supports Yemen's internationally recognized government and endorses the UN-led peace process between the government and the Houthi rebels. Erdogan mentioned that Turkey had received information suggesting that Houthis were mounting a very successful defense response against the US and Britain. He also noted Iran's efforts to protect itself in the face of these developments. Highlighting Turkey's stance on Hamas, Erdogan emphasized that unlike its Western allies and some Arab states, Ankara does not classify Hamas, the group controlling Gaza, as a terrorist organization. The US and the UK conducted airstrikes on Houthi military capabilities in response to threats and attacks by the Iran-backed rebel group in the Red Sea corridor, potentially escalating tensions in the broader West Asian region and deepening the conflict with Iran. The strikes prompted a range of political responses in the US. While Republicans supported the strike, they used the moment to attack Biden for removing the terrorist designation on Houthis after coming to power and called the action overdue. While most Democrats backed the president, progressives in particular called for White House to work with the US Congress and seek authorization for its military operation. Iran called the strikes a clear violation of Yemen's sovereignty and a breach of international laws. Lebanon's Hezbollah group, which has also traded fire with Israel in the months after the campaign in Gaza began, said they confirmed that the US is a full partner in the tragedies and massacres committed by the Zionist enemy in Gaza and the region.